If you have been diagnosed with mesothelioma or an asbestos-related disease, everything changes. If you're worried about financial support and need advice, this video will help you get on track to claim the benefits that you're entitled to and help reduce the financial burden on you and your loved ones. There are a number of benefits you may be entitled to. The Industrial Injuries Disablement Benefit, or IIDB, can be claimed if your exposure to asbestos happened when you were in employed work. However, unfortunately, you cannot claim for this benefit if you are self-employed. Personal independence payment can be claimed if you are under 65 and need assistance with your personal care. There are two elements: mobility and living. If you are aged over 65, this is referred to as Attendance Allowance. The Employment and Support Allowance, or ESA, replaces the incapacity benefit and income support, previously paid on incapacity grounds. It is also available if you are in employment. You can claim for the Constant Attendance Allowance if you receive Industrial Injuries Disablement benefit and you need daily care. The amount you are entitled to depends on your disability and the amount of care you need. Blue badge parking is a really practical benefit that allows disabled drivers and their passengers to park nearer to where they want to go. The workers' compensation is a lump sum payment that you or your family may be entitled to if you already receive the Industrial Injuries Disablement benefit. You are entitled to this benefit if your illness was caused by your employment. You can claim for the Diffuse Mesothelioma Payment 2008 if you came into contact with asbestos while you were self-employed or through a family member, for example by washing their work clothes. An added advantage is that you can also claim if, like many, you don't know how you came into contact with the asbestos. You may be able to claim for the Diffuse Mesothelioma Payment Scheme 2014 if you were diagnosed with diffuse mesothelioma on or after the 25th of July 2012, your illness was caused by exposure while working in the UK, you or your solicitor cannot trace the employer or your employer's insurer, you haven't made a claim for compensation. You may also be able to claim if you are the dependent of a sufferer who has sadly died. You could get carer's allowance if you care for someone for at least 35 hours a week, and you don't have to be related to or live with the person you care for. Those in the military who were diagnosed during their service may be entitled to a war pension as a lump sum or a weekly payment. If you'd like to find out more about these benefits and how to apply for them, we can help. Just call Novum Law on 0800 884 0777 and ask for me, Andrew Stinchcombe.